Since our room is being fixed, so Peter is going to explain to me what will be the activities here.
Okay, there's two groups. There's an A and a B group.
Okay.
The A group is all free of charge, and the B group is there is a price attached to them.
Okay.
The hanging bridge is free of charge, but everything has got a small little price attached to it. Now the games at the hall, the deposit is 20 rand for the badminton rackets
20
or water.
ringgit.
20 ringgit.
Okay.
We can go to the Waterfall Visit.
What will be the time there?
Morning 9:30 to 12:30, afternoon 1:30 to 4 p.m. So we need to be around at 9:30 and say, okay, we want to go to the waterfall.
Waterfall.
Then in the afternoon we can go and swim. The swimming pool stays open until 6:20 p.m.
The boating is free also.
Yeah, boating is free. They give you a life jacket so you can go and we can up to 4:30. All the activities shut down 4:30 except the pool.
Okay.
There's a nature walk. There's a resort tour. So that's, like I said, that's free of charge that you can do. Then these activities are available, but like I say, it's for a small little deposit price. Archery, if you want to do fishing, if you want to do flying fox.
Very nice.
Fox.
So they give us the map.
Yeah, and then ask for the map. This is the map.
Yeah, we have to have the map.
Yeah.
So this is the clear map now.
Yes.
We have to have the map with us because I don't wanna.
This is where we are now at the moment. We arrived in. We at the reception. There. Yeah. Now the chalets will be over there.
Okay.
So we're going to be going down with that road to the chalets there. And then the other activities all down here. The boating is down here. Rope bridge will be down here as well.
That's good.
So every activity is there.
Okay, that's very good.
Here's the legends, and then the activities with the other facilities. But like I said, not all the activities are available.
Yeah, it's okay. We just take whatever activities is available. That's great.
And then, as they say, if you do the flying fox now, for argumentative sake, you can only, it's 15 ringgit
per time. Okay.
A mini is for kids only. So we can't do that. Definitely break it. Archery for 5 arrows. So it's 15 ringgit for 5 arrows.
This is
fishing half day.
Half day.
Yeah.
That's good.
I think this is great.
This is very great.
Keep you busy with those activities.
Really.
You don't have to run around.
Exactly.
Come here.
So now we're going to our room. Very nice. I can go out there. When we eat, we can just go that side there.
The water park is here and the swimming pool is here.
Wow. I really need to swim.
There's a nature walk.
Nature walk. Oh my goodness. We have to start the walking.
Okay, yeah.
Are we going to turn here? Yeah, there's no other place to turn. So here we are. Also, this the mahogany entrance is here also. You can.
No,
There's the mahogany. This the building, the mahogany.
Yeah, it's the rooms. Mahogany rooms.
Mahogany rooms.
So it's the rooms inside the hotel.
So
Waterfall
ours
down this
is
way.
in that side, I think. We're staying in the chalet. Our friends there already. This is the chalet here.
So we need
So
to
here is the chalet. We have to park the car.
walk the next tinny, so we're gonna have to carry.
So here we arrived to the place where, yeah, very near here. So the boating will be in this side. So our room is in the chalet. Wow! Solar system. So for the water heater, we're using solar system. So here, we are going to the room. So they said that the water heater is used solar system. Here. This is very exciting. Oh my goodness. Just imagine, guys. It's very tiring too. Oh wow. So you have a single. Ah, you can have like this. Single. Very nice. And then this one have an upper and lower. Wow. If you got this one, you have a single room there. This one is lower. Lower in the upper. So very nice. Maraming fish. Oh, not much the chalet. So from there, going to that side. Wow. So now we have to look for our room. Okay, this will be exciting. So our room is 1112 Marente. So here guys, let's go to the room. Our friend is down. Oh my god, very nice here. So 1112. Here we are. This is very exciting. Wow. This is very nice, guys. This is the toilet. Very nice. Oh, this is the bathroom here. Wow. Oh my goodness. So, if you're four person, you still can be enough for this room. Very big. 2 bedroom. I think I better not to wear my slipper here. Oh my goodness, guys. Very, very nice. Yeah. There. Then if you want to, luckily we are here only. You can see the nature. Oh my goodness, it's very nice. Oh, they on already the aircon. There. So I think, oh my god, 2 aircon inside this room. Wow. This is amazing. And they have this one. This is nice. So for 577 ringgit, this is good for 2 days. And Peter is there. Hello, welcome. We have to get our things in the car. It's very nice here, love. You should close the door.
Yes.
Welcome. Welcome here as my guest. I need to take a shower. I need to go swimming also. It's very hot. I mean, you can extend if you have
Coffee, water.
there's an extended bed. Oh.
You don't want to sleep with me?
No. I'm telling only.
Oh,
Wow.
I'm just asking.
If you're family, then you can just stay here. Extended bed.
So nice.
And then 2 double bed.
Okay, we haven't got a
Wow.
porch like a guy at the bottom, but that's fine.